Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy ALin, and we back today with another video for you guys, man. So alright, check it out. If you guys are new to the channel, go down there, hit that subscribe button, leave a like on the video, comment down in the comments what else you guys want to see on the channel, man. I'm tired of saying it, just subscribe. But yo, we are back today with another sneaker review, and today we're coming back with a very special review, man. And you guys could just already tell by the box. Haha. So if you guys don't already know, this is the J Balvin Jordan 1s, and I'm gonna give you guys a quick little background of the J Balvin Jordan 1s before we get into the shoe. So J Balvin is a Latino or Spanish artist, and he's probably one of the hottest artists in that genre out, and he's just like a global icon. He's up there with Bad Bunny, Anuel AA, or I like to say Anuel AA because it's Anuel Double A. But you know, we're talking about the wrong artist. J Balvin, man, huge icon in the world, especially in the Hispanic community or Latino community, and he's just like goated, you feel me? And here comes Jordan brand wanted to team up with one of the hottest artists out there for a Jordan 1. So, and right here we have a size 9, if it could focus, size 9 right here in the Jordan 1s, and the color code reads multicolor black, or it reads in Spanish color multiple. Yo, y'all like the accent, man? Stop playing with me, man. I roll my R's too, man. Shit. The box, already a crazy special feature. Like the top is a multicolor gradient thing. It's like rainbow gradient, and then the Nike on the sides is in white all around. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. So flip open the box. First thing you notice is the paper, man. The paper on top is not that regular gray paper. This one comes with a smiley face, a thunderbolt, and the Jordan symbol in like circles. So just opening that up, and then underneath we have the regular white paper that comes with regular Jordan, and boom, here we have the shoes, man. These shoes right here, these shoes is crazy shoes. Let's just take one out and take a look at them. Boom. Just give you guys a quick little look, and then we're gonna hop into the colorway breakdown. But first things first, we're gonna give you guys a quick little b-roll, you feel me, like I always do. Boom. Alright, so coming back from the b-roll, hope you guys looked at all the details and everything, man. So yes sir, here we have the left shoe, and here we have the right shoe, you feel me? Damn, the paper's coming. So here's both shoes, and this shoe right here is just crazy. First thing I noticed while holding them in my hand, it's super light. Maybe because the upper is not leather, it's like a canvas material, so it's a lot lighter than leather. But yeah, first thing I noticed, super light. Well, the actual first thing that jumps out at you is the colorway. So this colorway is crazy right here. Going to a breakdown, it's like a rainbow gradient. So it has green, orange, red, yellow, purple. I'm a little colorblind, so y'all let me know how it goes, man. I think it's blue, green, yellow, red, orange, green. I don't know, man. I don't know, but yo, I'm messing with like this look right here. It's kind of like it's like the sun. I feel like it's like, you know how the sun rays be on things, and then there's a lot of excess material on the shoe. But then the midsole and outsole is like pink, I think. I'm a little colorblind, so I think it's pink. It won't pick up in this. It looks like white here, but it is pink. So originally the shoe is already laced up in black for you, but it also comes with yellow laces, pink laces, white laces, and the custom patches for the side right here. It comes with the Jordan patch on it on this shoe, and then the smiley face on this shoe. Same thing with the tongues. The tongue has the smiley face on the left shoe and the Jordan symbol on the right shoe, and then the inside is reversed. So this side has the smiley face and this side has the Jordan Jumpman. And then next thing you know is the insoles are super bright. It's a yellow insole with the Thunderbolt smiley face, man. And then the parts that are leather on this shoe are by the ankle collar. That part is leather. Also around the swoosh right here, they have leather accents right here. And yeah, and everything else is like a canvas material. The swoosh is super cool to me. It goes opposite of how the sneakers come in this way. So one color is coming this way and the other gradient is coming this way. That shit is so fire to me, man. And then the Jordan Jumpman is a little bit different right here than the regular Wings logo. Instead of the basketball, they have a Jordan Jumpman in the middle. You guys can see right there. And it says Air Jordan. Everything else is pretty much the same as a Jordan 1. But just the material and the color on these is drippy, man. I have to say, this is a drippy shoe. And I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I can't pull off this shoe, man. This shoe is too crazy for me, but you know what I'm saying? That's just me, and that's why I'm not gonna give you guys an on foot of these. So, but going to sizing on Jordan 1s, go true to size or down half a size. That's just the, you know, the universal law for Jordan 1s. For sizing. So go true to size or down half a size on these and you should be good. Now as for comfort, Jordan 1s aren't that comfortable. It's just very flat at the bottom, and this is a canvas material, so it's probably a little lighter than leather, but I like the leather feel on Jordan 1s. This pair is from my man EC Layup, so shout out to EC Layup on the assist, man. You guys go check out his Instagram down below. He needs an 8.5, so if you guys have an 8.5, you know, hit him up and tell them that you got an 8.5, man. That's really like the plug. But yeah, man, since we're not bringing an on-foot review on these, let's just talk about the resell predictions of them. And when this shoe first surfaced, the resell was crazy. People were trying to like go head crack 1,000 and change on these. But after pairs released, Comsets did a raffle. These were on the sneakers app, and you know, a good amount of people hit on them. And the prices did drop. Right now they're around like the 500 range. But man, listen right here. These shoes, you should just cop them now and just store them away, man. You gotta think, J Balvin is such a huge, iconic, like global icon. You just have to like buy this shoe if you want to make money on it. Personally, me, I'm not buying these because I feel like I have allocated my money elsewhere. Like I wish I was super duper rich and I could just buy 100 pair of these as well. But you know, times are tough right now. But my advice to you, buy these shoes and just keep them on the side. Give it like a couple months and watch it pop to 1,000, man. This shoe right here, I suggest you hold on to it if you got it. But if you're looking to buy it as an investment, just buy a lot of pairs now and hold on to them, man. But me, I'm broke. That's why I need y'all to like this video. So go down there and hit that like button, man. But yeah, that wraps up this video review. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys want more detailed breakdowns, you guys could look at the B-roll. Everything will be there. And yeah, man, let me know what you guys think of the shoes down below. Like I said, this shoe is extremely fire, extremely drippy, as the kids would say, but I can't pull it off, so you know, there's not really much I can do, you feel me? But that's the end of this video, man. It's your boy ALin. Hope you guys enjoyed, and you guys make sure y'all stay safe and stay swaggy, and I'm out, man.